What's going on, everybody? This is Rags to Riches. Today is day 6 of me trading until I'm profitable. Earlier today, around 7 o'clock, we ended up getting in a trade. We ended up taking a $720 gain today. So it could have been 1,000, but I got out pretty early because of the way how things was looking, and I was just being cautious. I'm gonna just break down my setup and how the trade went today. Y'all tune in, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, bro, and become part of the movement. This is the Rags to Riches movement, bro. Everybody lock in. Here we go, bro. Here we freaking go. All right, starting off today, this is how I opened up my chart. It was around 650 something, you know, 7 o'clock didn't hit yet. I was just getting a little pre-market game in or whatever to mark out my liquidity and my highs and lows and all that type of stuff. So price is bullish. It left behind fair value gaps and order blocks right here on this fair value gap. Price came back down and it tapped into it right there. Okay, with how my strategy worked, once price taps into my zone on a 15-minute time frame, I instantly jumped down to my 1-minute time frame. Okay, as y'all can see, we had liquidity right here. It came down and swept that. Also right here as well, this is buy side liquidity. I labeled it right here. As y'all can see, price came down, swept it, and we had this impulsive move up right here. What I do at this point is I wait for another change of character, right? Since we got the liquidity sweep right here, I then wait for a change of character up here on my 1-minute time frame. Okay, we get the change of character here, all right, and I basically wait. But all price did was fondle around in here in this area. We had CPI news today, so 7:30 hit, this huge candle wick go up right here, and it ended up creating this fair value gap right here. Okay, so now all I wait for is for price to return to this fair value gap right here or order block. It doesn't matter as long as it don't change character or whatever. Once price ended up coming down right here, I wait for another candlestick to confirm that this area will be respected. So I entered in on this candle closure right here with 5 contracts, I'll be risking $500 to make 1,000, or 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, this pretty much how the trade play out. Right here at this point, I ended up taking partials right here, but at this point in time, I moved my stop loss to break even because we halfway through freaking profit. So I moved my stop loss to break even at this point. So now move it a little bit into profits as well. So now we are in a risk-free trade at this point. So I'm just gonna let it play through. All right, but I'm gonna just let it play through, let y'all watch. We had break even. I wasn't gonna trail it because I knew it was gonna have a pullback. Okay, and plus it's not even 8:30 yet at this point. So, and I know it can get real volatile at 8:30. So boom, right here, as y'all can see, we have liquidity sitting up here in this area. That's why I marked it out right here. We have sell side liquidity. What made me get out pretty early was because after we got this liquidity sweep right here, right, price would usually have a decent pullback, but what I was doing was really protecting what I had already. I was protecting what I had already, and I didn't let it ride, even though I should have. Okay, but I say around this point in time right here, we got this huge wick down right here, which is a good rejection wick right here. So I could have easily just, you know, stayed in or whatever. At this point, I had my stop loss right here below that order block right there. So we pretty good on this trade already, and this well is being managed well. Okay, at this point, you know, I'm like, bro, if a candle closed below this liquidity sweep right here, I was automatically thinking like it was gonna be a reversal or whatever. So what price ended up doing, closed down there. I'm still in at this point, and it closed here and it closed there as well. So I'm like, damn, I need to prepare for a reversal or whatever. So I could have easily just moved my TP up, but I don't know. It's just something about this right here that spooked me a bit. And I'm like, I'm gonna just go on and get out. So at this point, you know, I bagged my partials right here, okay? I bagged my partials. There was a $720 gain, okay? Or as we could say, a $700 gain, okay? At this point, I'm just watching it. I'm like, bro, we probably gonna end up getting a TP, okay? So I let it ride and it started to go my way once again, okay? We get equal highs there. It comes back down as well. And we ended up TPing with a breaker structure right there, okay? 830 hit and it shoot through the freaking roof, bro. So what I've learned from this trade is that, like, when a news candlestick hit like that, and after the news is over and we still have that up going, a bullish momentum or a bearish, no matter which way it's going, as long as it's still going that way, once 830 hit, price is bound to continue going up. That's pretty much how that trade went, bro. And right now my account currently sits at $50,576, okay? Remember yesterday I took a $500 loss, and the previous day I had gained that $300 some, so I was only down like $200 some, which, you know, it's okay. So that's pretty much how today went for me, y'all. A green day. I'm pretty happy with it. I still could have made 1,000, but you know, I'm happy with what I got, and I'm happy with the decision I made when it came to securing my profits, because you never know. Price can literally edge your TP and have a whole reversal on you. But you know, maybe I was worried about the wrong thing, but I was just protecting what I had already. Be sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more trade recaps. And yeah, once we get funded, I'm gonna pay for another evaluation past that one, stack my fundings up, and copy trade them all, bro. Size down, and I'm gonna copy trade them all. Anyways, bro, that's gonna be considered for today, y'all. This is Rags to Riches. I am Reese, and this is my journey, man. Subscribe to join, bro, and to make it in 2026, bro. Rags to Riches, man. We out.